Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I am going to show you how I render my videos in After Effects for the best quality and compress them using handbrakes. Once your edit is complete, press Ctrl plus M to open the render queue. Click on Output module in the Format drop down. Select vocoder, click on Format option and select 10-bit lossless project. Then click OK. Finally, hit render to export your clip. Once the render is complete, open Handbrake. Import your newly rendered clip in Handbrake. Copy the exact setting and values show on my screen. Click Start in Code to get your high quality, lightweight video file.